particular we will see the next topic from the information theory and source coding, that is run length coding. Run length coding, that is also called as a RLE method or the RLE technique. This is the technique, this is the method which is used to find out the redundancy in the given message. Find out the redundancy in the given symbol. RLE is the simplest method that can be used for removing redundancy. Okay, when you want to remove the redundancy, at that time we use this run length encoding. Okay, as its name indicates, it is a run length coding. That is nothing but when there is a repetition of particular symbol, and that repetition it is nothing but a run. We called as a run for that particular symbol in the repetition. For example, the data made of any combination of symbols can be compressed using RLE. Okay, when we are having a data or the message, that data is nothing but which is a combination of many symbols. Combination of many symbols. At that time, we use this method to find out the run length encoding. Okay, or that is nothing but the purpose of this run length encoding technique is for the compression of the data. For the compression purpose, we can go for the run length encoding. In this technique, we replace a repeated sequence, also called as run, of the same symbol with two entities. That means when there is a repeated symbols are there, and that repeated symbols are nothing but a run. Okay, that's why to compress the given data, we are using this run length encoding. We compress the data by using the encoding method. Encoding, it is nothing but whatever given data, we have to convert it into the secret form or another form to reduce the memory size, to reduce the channel size, and that's why there is a compression of the data by using this run length encoding. That's why, for example, we can consider the example for this run length encoding is that use the RLE method to compress the following sequence symbols. Use the RLE method to compress the following sequence of symbols. The given symbols is the given symbol of sequence of symbols, they are given like this. Now we have to use this RLE method to compress the following sequence of symbols. In this way, see, this is a continuous string of symbols. Now for the encoding, by using the RLE method, we compress this symbol or we encode this like this. We are having the continuous string of symbol A. That means how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write 4A. Instead of 4 symbols, we require here only 2. Only 2 symbols we can represent the same number. Then we are having how many C's are there? 1 and 2. That is nothing but a 2C. 1, 2, 3. How many B's? 3B. That's why we can write 3B. Instead of 3 symbols, we can write that same message. We can encode that same message by using the 2 symbols. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many D's? 5D. E, it is a 1E. And F, it is of 2F. That means whatever given string of symbols, a long message, how many contents of long message? How many symbols in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means this is the first original message. It is of 17 symbols. In that message we are having the 17 symbols, but the encoded symbols are there. That means the encoded data or the compressed data as 4A, 2C, 3B and 5D. Okay, that means how many symbols are there? 4A, 2C, 3B, 5D, 1E and the 2F. How many symbols we require here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means encoding or the compression of this original data, we require only the 12 symbols. That means there is a compression of long message into the small message or in the same message, that is of only, here we require 12. That means the that's why this is called as the compression. Okay. In this way, a string of 17 symbols has been compressed into a string of only 12 symbols. Okay. Another, the modified version of this method is as symbols are only 0 and 1. See, remember that this is the run length coding. Why it is called as run length? Because there is a repeated number, repeated symbols are there, A. And this continuous of A, it is nothing but a run of A. This is a run of B. This is the run of D. That's why this method of encoding is called as the run length encoding. Now, the modified version of this RLE. Modified version of this RLE method, it is nothing but which contains the symbols, only two symbols are there, that is nothing but digital symbols 0 and 1. When two symbols are there at that time, there is also alternative method to represent the encoding of the RLE method. For example, we can take one example for that, as there is a run of only zeros and ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. In the above pattern, there are more zeros than ones. Okay. In this pattern, when we look towards the given message, given symbols are there. At that time, when we see that message, we can observe that in this given string, we are observing there is a more number of zeros than the 1, because there is a continuous string of zeros, then single 1 is there, then 0, 0 is there, then 2 ones are there, and there is a continuous string of zeros. That means there is only 3 number of ones are there, and the remaining string which contains only the 0 symbols. That's why in the above pattern there are more zeros than ones. Hence, we will just show the number of zeros that occur between ones. That means whatever we can, whatever the given message is there, that we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zeros are there. Then there is a string of 1. Then here 2 zeros are there. Then there is a string of 2. There is a no 0. That means we can write here 0. Then it is a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. In this way we can separate the ones. We have to write the continuous 10 zeros. Then there should be a 1. Then there is a 2, because whatever the given writing is there, whatever given encoding is there, it is which shows only the indication of the zeros. That means what is the count of 0? count of 0 is 10, count of 0 is 2, count of 0 in between it is a 0, count of 0 is 6, like this. Just we have to represent the 0. That means here we can write as 10 2 0 6. How it will come? That is from this 10 will come here, this 2 it is of come here, it is 0 and it is of 6. In this way we can find out the original message and the compressed message. See, this is the original message and this is the compressed message, and this is the compressed message. Okay, now it is possible to encode the compressed data into binary using a fixed number of bits per digit as shown in figure. That means whatever the encoded data is there compressed, we have to take into the encoding. Okay, how we can encode this data in the binary encoding? Binary encoded data. Binary encoded data, for using this method we can encode this 10. That means we can represent this 10 into the binary as 1010. But remember that each digit must be represented into the 4-bit binary number. Okay, 10 requires 4 digits. 2 we can represent by using only single 2 bits, but there is a fixed pattern. For each digit we have to represent into the 4 bits. That's why it is a 2 we can represent 0010. Then 0 we can represent into the 4 bits 0000, and 6 we can represent as 001. Sorry, it is a 0 1 1 0. Okay, it is a 6, nothing but the equivalent of 0 1 1 0. 4 plus 2, it is of 6. That means there is a string of zeros in this way. Here we require how many bits of string? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Message it is originally contained 21 symbols, but in the encoded data we require 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Only 16 symbols we require to encode after the compression of the encoded data. That means there is a compression of the data by given the symbols. That means there is a compression of 21 symbols into the 16. So thus the number of bits in the original sequence were 21 and those in the compressed binary is 16. Hence the rate of compression is rate of compression is 21 divided by 16. It is nothing but 21 divided by 16 we can calculate as 1.31 messages per symbol. This is the compression rate for this RLE code, for this example. The see, up to this we have seen this method for the 2 symbols, alternative 2 symbols for this. When we require 21 symbols in the original format, that data should be compressed, encoded in the binary, and at the output side we get that message in the compressed data with the rate of 1.31 of the rate. Okay. The alternative method for RLE, that is, for example, we can consider as the alternative method for this. It is as like this. See the alternative method for this RLE. run length encoding. For example, we will consider the example which contains only two symbols 0 and 1. 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. They have given one example for this to represent the alternative format of RLE. Hence, we can encode this as follows. Okay. How we can encode this as follows? As we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 5 zeros, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 ones. Okay, that means how many? How we can calculate this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What is this 5? 5 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 4 ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there and 6 ones are there. Now, to encode this into the binary format, we can write, this can be written in the binary format, because this format we cannot encode it, because we must know the binary number, because whatever the given sequence, it should be in the originally binary form. That's why we have to represent this 5 into the binary. How we can represent into the 3-digit binary format? That is nothing but a 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. It is nothing but a equivalent of 5 in the binary. That's why 1, 0, 1, 5, 0. 5, 0. It is nothing but a 5, 0. We can write in the binary 1, 0, 1, 0. For this 4, how we can represent the 4 in the binary? As 1, 0, 0. It is nothing but for the 4. 4, but what is this? 1. Then 4. Again 4. 1, 0, 0. It is a 0. 6. How we can represent the 6 in the binary? As 4 plus 2. It is nothing but a 6 and 1. That means the binary encoding is like this. Binary encoding. This is the binary encoding. Now we require how many symbols here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 symbols are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Original symbols are 19. We can encode this into the binary and the compress by using the run length encoding of 6. Instead of 19, we require only the 60 symbols, and this is the run length encoding. Okay. The fax image encoding is done using the RLE method. Okay. As we know, where is the example of this applications of the RLE? When we use the fax machine, at that time, in the fax machine we are having the encoding, and that encoding, whatever used in the fax machine, it is nothing but a RLE method. Fax encoding is the example of this technique of run length encoding. Okay, this is the very much simple method for the compression, for the encoding, which we use in the information theory and source code. Okay, in this way we have completed this topic RLE. Now today we will stop here.